Arlan's All Access?
Arlan's All Access.
Arlan's All Access.
The A, take two.
My name is Gina Green, and I am a back-end sales specialist for coaches and course creators.
My name is Lakeisha Tomlin, and for work, I'm a senior manager working in technology.
I am a leadership facilitator and executive coach. So being in the Arlan's All Access.
Well, let me first say it was an answer to a prayer.
When I first joined Arlan's All Access community, I was surprised at how many different things people were doing and how many goals that they were accomplishing in such a short amount of time. That was very inspiring to me. And that also led me to join Inner Circle.
I saw her doing things in real time. Like so many course creators and coaches, they'll tell you, oh, just do it afraid, launch it ugly, do all these things. But everything they put out is so polished and perfect that it's really not relatable. Arlan was like, it don't have to be perfect.
Arlan is literally playing a game for herself all the time. And when you see it in real time, that she's created a new goal for herself, she's got a new vision, and then she's then going into execution. And then as she's doing it, she's sharing. And she's sharing the lessons she's learning, she's sharing the breakthroughs that she's having, she's sharing the challenges that she's having as well. She's literally role modeling. That's the beauty of it, of being in the community with someone like Arlan.
There was a networking event that Arlan was hosting, and I wasn't gonna go just because money was kind of tight. And I was like, oh, maybe the next one. But I said, you know what? I'm gonna push my way. Well, at that networking event, I met my next client. And I mean, it's paid for everything I've invested in Arlan's All Access, Arlan's Inner Circle, 10s and 20s and 30s and hundreds of times over. So what you pay is priceless.
She's so committed to the people in her community that when you're stuck, she can really get you moving again.
After having my first call with Arlan in Inner Circle, it really made me realize that I had some of the pieces, but I can make those pieces a lot better and flow a lot better if I include a couple of things that she recommended. After I got off the call with her, I looked at my notes and I just went to work. And I implemented a few of those things already, and I'm already seeing a difference.
If you are someone who has a goal for yourself and you need to find a community of people who can support you, can encourage you, can travel the path with you, then being inside of Arlan's All Access will give you absolutely that experience. And there's, I'm one of a number of people who are in it, and everyone is amazing in different ways. And so you can get so many ideas. It's like you get to see a new level of what's possible when you see other people going after their own goals and then achieving them. And being around Arlan as a role model as well is like second to none.